God bless you. Thank you for tuning in today to the encouragerministries.com. I'm Herbert McLean, the Encourager. Listen, I have this website designed for your encouragement. So make sure that you browse all the different facets in this website. Also, I want to let you know that every month we have the Encourager newsletter that is emailed to you. If you would like to become a part of the mailing list, all you have to do is leave your email address right in the comment section below this video. I'm Herbert McLean. Thank you so much for tuning in to the encouragerministries.com. Why don't you share this with a friend and let them know that there is free encouragement right here on the encouragerministries.com. Thank you for watching and enjoy your browse.